continue here the topic of factorization. We're factorizing quadratic expression. The quadratic expression is the expression. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Mean in quadratic expression the highest power of the variable is 2 and the standard form is this, in which a, b and c are the coefficients, constant values, any real numbers, and x is the variable over here. So in the same way we are going to factorize this. First of all, we will multiply this constant term by the coefficient of x squared. 5 4 times 20. So first we will make here the factors of 20. 1 20 times, 2 10 times, then with 3 it's not divisible, 4 5 times, and 5 4 times. Here the same factors, if they are repeating with the change order, it means that's the end point of the possible pairs over here. So after this, first and last term we will write as it is, 4x squared and plus 5. The method that we are going to use here, that is the mid-term break method. Mid-term break means that middle term is here 12x. We are going to break this term, and after breaking this term we will write the two terms instead of this one term, and that two terms, those two terms we will get from these pairs. Which pair we will pick from here, and that we will write here. But the thing that we'll have to check is the pair we will choose here, that pair should give us plus 12x after adding or subtracting, and should give us plus 24 5 times plus 20. After multiplying, it should give us plus 20. So the possible pair that we are going to pick from here, there is 12 we need. So here if we are going to use plus 10 plus 2, we'll check this, plus 10 plus 2 plus plus plus, this 12 sign is of greater value, and after multiplying this we should get plus 4 5 times 20. So plus 10 plus 2 we will multiply, plus 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 2 10 times 20. It means by using this pair we can get plus 12 and plus 20. So we write over here plus 10, the variable that we write, that is with the middle term, plus 2x. Okay, after this now you are having the four terms over here. So which type of the factorization that we are going to use over here? If here are the four terms, first we'll check for the common. From all the four terms we can't take any common, then we'll make the pairs and take the common. So here we are going to make the pairs, 4x squared plus 10x, here plus 2x plus 5. So from here, from the first pair, the common is from 4 and 10. They both are divisible by 2. X is also present in both terms. So 2 times 4, x plus 2 5 times 10. This x we have taken as common. Here from 2x plus 1 no common, so that is the 1. 2x plus 1. Now you can see from this expression 2x plus 5, that is common in both. So 2x plus 5 will take as common. If both 2x plus 5 mean we have taken the common, so what is left now? 2x plus 1. So these are the possible factors of this given quadratic expression. Okay guys, after part 2, 3 we are going to solve its part 4, because hope so these all parts are same, the few I will solve for you. So again the same rule I am going to use, the constant term is going to be multiplied by the coefficient of x squared, 21 5 times, that is equals to 105. Mean here we are going to make the pairs of 105. 1 with 2 it is not divisible, then 3 it is divisible, 3 times 9, 3 5 times 15, then 4 it's not divisible, 5 it's divisible by 5, 2 times 10, 5 1 times 5, 6 it is not divisible, 7 with 7. Is it divisible by 7? Yes, it's divisible. 7 1 times 7 5 times 35. With 8 it's not divisible. 9 no. 10 no. Then with 11 it's not divisible. Then with 12 no. Then 13 it's not divisible. Then 14 it's not divisible. Then by 15 again it's divisible. 15 how many times? 15 7 times. So guys, here the first and last term we were going to write as it is 5x squared minus 21. So in place of this middle term minus 16x, we will pick any pair from here and we'll choose that pair from here. After adding or subtracting, we will get minus 16x, and after multiplying which we should get minus 21 5 times 105, minus 105. So the pair that we are going to pick from here, if we will pick this one, 21 and 5. 21 minus 5 is 16, and but which sign we are going to use over here, because it's 21, here is minus. With 21 and 5, 21 is greater, I will write minus with 21 plus 5. Minus plus minus 16, sign is of greater value, that is minus. Then it means we can get minus 16 by this pair. But one more thing we have to check, can we get here minus 105 after multiplying these? Minus 21 plus 5 plus minus minus, and 21 5 times, yes, we can get minus 105 here. So this is the possible way, but if you don't know that what is the possible pair, you will check by trying the different pairs over here. First you will try this. If you are not going to get this, try anyone else. Then if you're not going to get this one, try anyone else over here and change the sign as well. So here the pair is minus 21x plus 5x. Okay, after this we are going to make the pairs, and the first two and the last two terms, 5x squared minus 21x plus 5x minus 21. So from 5x squared minus 21x, that is the first pair, we are going to take the common from here. 5 and 21 are not divisible by any one real number. So x squared and x common is x. 5x minus 21 plus nothing is common, that is 1. 5x minus 21. So here the common will be 5x minus 21. If the both we have taken the common, so what is left? X plus 1. So this is now the factorized form of this given quadratic expression. After this we will solve its any other part, because part 5, 6, 7 they all are same. So any one part we will do. Part number 6 I think so I should solve here. Okay guys, after this part number 6 we are going to solve. You will see here this is 3x squared minus 38xy minus 13y squared. This is also in the form of this expression, because in the first variable we are going to consider that is x squared, then x, and here is no x, mean the constant one. So the second variable is used over here, y. So in one equation, in one expression there can be two variables. Okay, so you will have to just keep in mind that if in the first expression, first term, there is the square of one variable, in the second term it should be linear, it shouldn't have any exponent, and in the third term this variable x should not be present. Okay, so whatever the other variables are given over here, that is just satisfactory. Okay, so first as we will use here the same way, 13 3 times, that is 39. So here we are going to make the factors of 39 one times. With 2 it is not divisible, 3 it is divisible, 3 one times, 3 3 times, then 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 it is not divisible, then it is divisible again by 13 3 times. Okay guys, now from these three pairs we will pick any one pair from here which we can write in place of this middle one term. Okay, but first and the last term, first I will write as it is, that is 3x square minus 13y square. So minus 38xy. 38xy we can get by adding or subtracting that selected pair. So selected pair can be minus 38. By adding or subtracting 13 and 3 we cannot get 38. But we can get 38 by adding or subtracting this one, 39 and 1. Here there is minus. So with the greater value 39 we will write the minus. The sign you need over here, that you will write with the greater factor of the selected pair. Minus 39 plus 1. Plus minus minus, and sign is of greater value. It means we need minus 38 here. That is okay. Now we'll check, can we get minus 13 3 times 39? After multiplying these, can we get minus 39? This selected pair will be right. The same sign we will use that we used over here. Minus 139 times minus 39. If the both conditions are satisfied, then we can write that pair over here. Minus 39 plus 1. This is minus 39. The variable is here xy. Plus 1. There is no need to write 1. We can write only 1 in place of 1, xy. The variable that you are going to write with these middle factors, that will be this variable. If there is x, you will write here x. If there is xy, you will write here xy. Okay, the next step, in the same way we are going to make the pairs. Like this. Here again I am going to make the pair xy minus 13y square. Now from both these pair we'll check for the common. So from 3 and 39, the common is 3 because they both are divisible by 3, and from x square and x we will take the common. So here is left x minus 3 1 times, 3 times 9, x we have taken the common, so here what is left? Y. So from here you can check for the common, the y is present in both terms, the y is a common, x minus 13y. Okay guys, you can see from here that x minus 13y, x minus 13y, they both are common. So we'll take this as common, x minus 13y. If the both we have taken the common, it means they are eliminated. So what is left? 3x plus y outside the bracket. 3x plus. So these two are the factors of this given expression. After this we are going to solve its last part, part number 8, because rest of all parts are same. You can try yourself. This very easy, very simple. Okay guys, here the last part, that is a bit tricky but not difficult, so don't be confused over here. So this is first 5x minus 1 over x whole squares plus 4 into 5x minus 1 over x plus 4. If you will consider, this whole is equals to x. So x square plus 4, because they both are same, here again will be x, 4x plus 4. So this expression can be x square plus 4x plus 4. That is the type of the quadratic expression in which the first variable is in the form of square, the second is the linear, and at the end there is no variable. So guys, there is no need to confuse. This we will take as the x square. We can also do this by Latin, but no. Because if this is x square, this is 4x and this is 4. So this is the middle one term. So we are going to break this. So we'll make the pairs from this one. 4 will be multiplied by, here the coefficient outside is 1. So 4 1 times, that is 4. So the coefficient of 4 1 times and 2 2 times. Here are only the two pairs of this 4. So which one pair we will pick, that we will write in place of this middle one term. So the first term I will write as it is, that is 5x minus 1 over x whole square, and the last term plus 4, that I will write as it is. Now in place of this middle one term, 4 into 5x minus 1 over x, we are going to break this. 4, in place of 4 we will write 2 plus 2, because 2 plus 2 equals to 4, and after multiplying 2 plus 2 we can get 4 plus 4. So here we write plus 2 into 5x minus 1 over x. Then again plus 2 into 5x minus 1 over x. So this is not difficult, just we'll have to keep in mind that this value is equals to x squared, this is equals to x. So we are going to break this middle one term, and after adding both these 2 plus 2 we can get 4 into 5x minus 1 over 5x, and after multiplying both these we can get 2 times 4. So now again we are going to take the common from here. These are the first two terms. So first we write them in the form of, from these two terms, so I can make the pairs over here. You can use these brackets like this. So from these two the common can be, this is 5x minus 1 over x squared, and this is only 5x minus 1 over 5x. So from both these, this can be taken as the common, the smaller one. 5x minus 1 over x is the common. So now the inside here, what is left? 5x minus 1 over x. And this we have taken the common, so here what is left? Plus 2. So from next expression here, 2 into 5x minus 1 over 5x plus 4. 2 and 4, they both are divisible by 2. So 2 will be taken as common. Inside what is left? 5x minus 1 over 5x plus 2 times 4. Okay, you can see from here that from both these expressions over here. Now what is the common? This is the first one and this is the second one. The common expression from both these is 5x minus 1 over 5x, and here is also 5x minus 1 over 5x. So this will be as 5x minus 1 over 5x, and this can also be, because this is finished from here, this is also that we have taken the common, so what is left from here? 5x minus 1 over 5x plus 2, and from here what is left? Because this whole is the common from here. So guys, here you can see that from both these terms, 5x minus 1 over 5x plus 2 and 5x minus 1 over 5x plus 2 is the common. So this can be 5x minus 1 over x plus 2. We will take the common. So this is, we have taken the common, this we have taken the common. So what is left over? 5x minus 1 over x and plus 2. Plus 2. So this is the factorize from this. And one more method that I can use over here for this type, if you will consider that this is a bit difficult for you, so you can use here the second one that I'm also going to solve over here. Yes guys, one more way to solve this question is, if we are going to let this 5x minus 1 over x, anyone a, y, whatever you want to. So y we will let equals to 5x minus 1 over x. So in place of 5x minus 1 over x, we are going to put y. Here we will put y. This has squares, then plus 4. Here we are going to put y. Write y and then plus 4. Now this is the simple quadratic expression, and we are going to solve in the same way. The 4 will be multiplied by 1. We will make the factors of the 4 over here. So the factors, we will break this midterm. In place of this we will write 2y plus 2y. So we'll make the pairs of these. From here the common is y. Inside y plus 2 is left. Here the common is 2. Inside y plus 2 times 4 is left. So from both these terms, now the common will be from here, that is y plus 2, because these are the brackets. So y plus 2 is left. So in the start, you have put y equals to 5x minus 1. So again, what you will do over here now, you will just put in place of y 5x plus 1 over x. Because you know the question is in the form of x. Here the variable is x. The answer should also be in the form of x. So the value that we have put over here, y equals to 5x minus. So in place of y, we will put here again 5x minus 1 over x. Here plus 2 was there, and here 5x minus 1 over x and plus 2 was here. You can see from by solving by both these methods, we have the same answer over here. So you can use any of the methods to solve these questions. Thank you.